and welcome to another video. In today's video I have an unboxing, and this will have affiliate links in the description box below, which is down here somewhere, and it will have links to Amazon, and they will be affiliate links, which means if you make a purchase via these links I will make a small commission at no extra cost to you, so that's very exciting. So I purchased a Teamoy bag, and I plan to use it for craft, for mainly crochet and probably knitting as well. Here it is out of the bag. It has these little holes here which you can put your yarn through. So it folds up quite flat, which is very handy. And it's made of this very sturdy canvas. And it has a side pocket, which is quite big, as you can see. I can put my whole hand in there. And it has a clear pocket on the other side. The lid is clear, and it has a zipper on the top. I'm just going to zoom in more so that you can see better. That was not in, that was out. That's probably better. So zip lid. Is it a zip lid? Yes. A zip lid, and it has a little zipper pocket here, which is great for notions. And that closes up like that. Huge compartment inside. Lovely and deep, and it's got these pockets that you can use for yarn. So I have some Red Heart Super Saver. There's also an affiliate link. Let me get closer. There we go. There's also an affiliate link in the description box to purchase Red Heart yarns. So I've got one of these. These are very long. If you're an Australian, this size ball more. This is also a Red Heart yarn. This is the beautiful new soft merino from Red Heart by Marley Bird. Chic Sheep. So squishy. This is such a beautiful yarn. I do have a pattern that's just there, and if that is out I will put the link in the box just up here. So this is the size that an Australian would see, and this is 100 grams. And this one is 200 grams, and I'll put them both in there. So that gives you an idea. The 200 grams fits really easily, and the 100 grams you've got a little bit of room on top. So that's perfect. So let's leave them in there. Red Heart Super Saver. Colour is amethyst, just in case you're wondering. And this is medium purple. So still plenty of room in there. The 100 grams actually fits sideways, so instead of putting it in like that, it fits that way in the bottom. That's really handy. So we're going to leave that in there. And then you've got this big pocket at the back where you can fit projects. I've got a project bag, I don't even know what's in it. Yarn, there's actually no project in there. But you can see how big that is. And that is going to fit very easily in the back. And it's still got plenty of room. That's it. That does up easily. And there's these magnetic little poppers. See that? And they open up. And now I actually have access into the bag. I can actually put my hand right in. I can get into the other little small pockets. And these little eyelets, they all match up with the yarn, so that's really good. So it's got two handles somewhere. Here we go. Two handles, so you can have it as a carry bag. I just discovered another pocket on the back. And that one is also a zip pocket too. And that pocket goes all the way across the back. And it goes way down to the bottom as well. You could easily fit my tablet in there and probably an iPad. I'm not sure how big iPads are, so I would say you would be able to. There is a zipper pocket on the front. Here. And that unzips all the way. That unzips all the way around like that. And then folds out. We've got a net pocket here. And a zip pocket there. Where's the zip? There it is. And then you've got all these things. You can put pens, pencils, or crochet hooks, knitting needles, scissors. Oh, that's handy. It's got a little thing there. So if you've got knitting needles or crochet hooks pointing up, that just flips over the top. And nothing will get stuck on it. That is very handy. And I love this colour. It looks like it's denim. It looks denim, it's lovely. So this is a close-up view. And they just magnetically clip by themselves. That's really good. Sturdy plastic, it's not thin. And great handles. Very comfy to carry too. It's easy on the shoulder. And I have yarn, and enough yarn in there to make a project, so that's probably about how heavy it would be. Maybe adding your purse, and your phone and car keys, it wouldn't be much heavier. Yeah, I'm really gonna like this bag. So I can't wait to try this bag out, and I will give you a review on what I think of it once I've used it. But if you would like to get your own, you can follow the links, like I said, in the description box, and that will help keep my video tutorials free for you guys, just by making a purchase through there. Oh, I've just found something else that's got. I remember this from the thing on Amazon. It has little Velcro bits. Can you see those? That you can put your yarn end in, and then you stick the Velcro back over, and it holds your yarn end. Ooh, it holds your yarn ends in place. I did see that on the Amazon. So yeah, it's got 3 of those. 1, 2, and 3. Love this bag. You could probably use this as an overnight bag too if you really needed to. Yes, very happy with my purchase. Oh, and it's got swivel handles too. That's a swivel just there, so it doesn't get all tied up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, happy crochet. Bye.